In an exclusive interview, former personal lawyer and fixer to President Donald Trump, Michael Cohen, has disclosed the explosive details of his trial testimony against the former president. Cohen's testimony provides a behind-the-scenes look into the inner workings of the Trump campaign and administration, shedding light on alleged illegal activities and questionable ethics. Cohen, who was sentenced to 3 years in federal prison for lying to Congress and other charges, has been cooperating with federal investigations into Trump's business practices and potential campaign finance violations. In the interview, he reveals how he was personally involved in arrangements to silence women who claimed to have had affairs with Trump, a tactic commonly known as catch and kill. According to Cohen, he facilitated payments to adult film actress Stormy Daniels and former Playboy model Karen McDougal to keep their allegations quiet in the lead up to the 2016 presidential election. Cohen claims that these payments were made at the direction of then-candidate Trump himself, illustrating a potential violation of campaign finance laws. These revelations have the potential to help strengthen ongoing investigations into the former president's conduct. Furthermore, Cohen's interview highlights the culture of loyalty and disregard for legal boundaries that he alleges permeated Trump's inner circle. Cohen accuses Trump of exhibiting a pattern of unethical behavior and a willingness to push the boundaries of the law for personal and political gain. According to Cohen, Trump placed immense pressure on his subordinates to carry out his orders, even if they were potentially illegal. Cohen also sheds light on the infamous Trump Tower Moscow project, a deal that was in the works during the 2016 campaign but was ultimately abandoned. Cohen affirms that Trump was fully aware of the project and continued to pursue it despite publicly stating otherwise. This revelation raises questions about the extent of Trump's financial interests and potential conflicts of interest during his presidential campaign. The interview further delves into the details of Cohen's relationship with Trump, painting a picture of a complicated dynamic that evolved from trust to betrayal. Cohen admits that he was once fiercely loyal to Trump and viewed him as a mentor, but he ultimately became disillusioned with the former president's actions and the toll they took on his own personal and professional life. As Cohen provides these explosive details of his involvement with Trump, his credibility will undoubtedly be a topic of discussion. Critics argue that as a convicted felon, Cohen's motives for speaking out may be questionable. However, Cohen insists that he is motivated by a desire to seek justice and expose the truth. The impact of Cohen's testimony and subsequent revelations is far-reaching. It adds fuel to the ongoing investigations into Trump's conduct, potentially uncovering new evidence and widening the scope of legal scrutiny. Moreover, it raises important questions about the ethical standards we expect from our leaders and the potential consequences of placing loyalty above the law. In conclusion, Michael Cohen's exclusive interview provides a shocking look into the behind-the-scenes operations of Donald Trump's campaign and administration. His testimony reveals alleged illegal activities and a culture of loyalty that place the former president's personal interests above the law. This interview has the potential to significantly impact ongoing investigations and raise important questions about accountability and the ethical standards of those in power.